Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on essentials formulas. This video is about force. Let's jot the title down. Force, not Star Wars use the force, Luke, just normal force. And let's switch pens. So we'll write down the formula. So we want, there's three, isn't there? So we've got capital F equals a lowercase m and a lowercase a. And our next one, lowercase a, is capital F over lowercase m. And the last one, lowercase m, is a capital F over lowercase a. Now changing to my blue pen, let's write down those letters. So we have F equals, and we have lowercase m equals lowercase a equals. Now let's write down, let's write down what they mean. So capital F is force, lowercase m is mass, and a lowercase a is acceleration. Now let's switch pens and we'll write down the SI units for each of these. So force, SI unit for force is a capital N, and that stands for newtons. Mass is measured in kilograms. Lowercase k, lowercase g, kilograms. And acceleration is measured in ms to the power of -2. That is meters per second per second. Now there's a couple of little things that we need to write down to make a note here. So let's have, let's have the blue pen. So some notes that we need to make on mass. So let's put mass can be defined as the whole of an object. And now let's switch back to our pen. So our next one is force. Force involves two quantities. Let's put its mass and acceleration. Run out of room slightly there, sorry about that. So force involves the whole of the object plus this acceleration. It is moving in a direction. And there we have your revision notes for force. Thank you for watching the video. Remember, we've got plenty of other videos on all of the other tests that you can do, and there are also many videos on cable calculations and all sorts of things that you're going to need to know to complete level 2 and level 3 in electrical installation. Now if you want my tabs that I have on my BS7671, visit the website electricalstudent.co.uk where you can purchase those. Also on the website, loads of free stuff, loads of practice tests, mock exam questions and such like. Working with electrical installation, guys, remember, be safe. Most importantly, listen to your lecturers. He or she definitely knows best. Take care, guys. See you soon.